Imagine if your child could slip past the safety barriers you've set for them online, without you even knowing. That's where VPNs come into play. But what exactly is a VPN, and why should it matter to you as a parent? A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a tool that creates a private, encrypted pathway for internet traffic. Think of it like a secret tunnel that your child can set up and use to hide their online activity from anyone monitoring, sometimes even from parental controls and school safeguards. When a VPN is active, it can make their device appear as if it's somewhere else entirely, bypassing many restrictions you've carefully put in place. So, why might your child feel the need to use a VPN? Sometimes, it's to access social media, games, or websites that are blocked at home or school. At other times, they might want extra privacy, especially if they feel monitored. While the desire for privacy can be normal, unrestricted access can expose them to risks you've been working hard to prevent. It's natural to feel concerned or even frustrated, but understanding the role of VPNs is the first step to staying ahead. With this knowledge, you're already better prepared to protect your child online. Ready to learn how you can spot when a VPN is being used, and what you can do to block it? Our next video breaks down practical steps for maintaining the safeguards your child needs. Empower yourself and keep their online world safe.